So why she just fart in my bed though? Why did you fart in my bed? Why did you fart in my bed? Huh?
Get off of me.
Hey, whoa. No cussing on the vlog. No cussing. People. Don't cuss on the vlog. Don't cuss on the vlog.
You act like you deaf or something.
I'm sorry you guys had to see that. You know what I'm saying? Because she on that too. Come on, Max. Let's go. Yeah, good boy. You a good boy, Max. You a good boy. Don't cussing on the vlog. Just doing it for the vlog, you know. Yeah, I edit for you.
Don't put nobody find him something, man.
I'm doing it for the vlog.
It's some people find them thing, then, man.
He got it on your computer.
No, I'm doing it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Stop doing something there. And something there nice, something for people on.
What you gonna say to the camera?
Do it for the vlog.
No, you gotta talk to the camera like it's your friend.
Hi. Today we're going to do a video of the vlog. And I'm going to places today to show you how to do a vlog. So let's get started.
Doing it for the vlog. We just got the Zap Zone. Alot in the building. Keys, you know. Zap Zone.
They coming to see me?
No, ain't nobody coming to see you. You come to this one. Alante, stop being over here. I feel like a big ass kid. There you go.
This is for
Happy birthday, Keys. What are you at? Doing it for the vlog. Ain't that right, Alante? Doing it for... Man, hey. What you gotta say for the vlog? What up? The fuck? What you gotta say for the vlog?
my favorite game.
He's a big ass kid.
Look at that.
Look what I'm about today. Y'all look what I'm about to find.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
For the vlog. Alright, vlog world.
Movie theater, you don't know. Back at it again.
Wildlife.
Back at it with the Aldos.
Little wildlife girl. Oh, that wildlife girl, kiddo.
You might want this one of me, I dig out that belly, you know.
Hey, Kerry, you hear that, Kerry?
Yo, everybody at Jamaica needs to know that to me. I mean, I dig out that belly.
Make sure to follow him now. This Mink Mill. Puma man. Shit, the movie ain't start yet.
You got like 40, you got a good 45 minutes.
Shit. Kid, ever go in here before?
Wait.
In here, son.
No. Tokyo buffet unload. You know,
Shit. I be fucking up them fucking
about fine cuisine,
I'm not on
man.
Keys. Let me.
them crab legs and all them
You know,
shrimp.
he don't got fine cuisine money, man.
I'm not on Keys. Like you right.
Nigga, really been huh?
That nigga, I went to Benihana's, man. I went to Benihana's Saturday.
Benny Hannes is hell. Ain't that high. We don't know. I want to call it.
Hello. Sexiness.
But that ain't good.
Movies. Are you serious?
It's Sunday.
Man, no, they ain't closed, bro. Cause I'm like, what's your problem, bro? What's your problem? Doing it for the vlog. They don't know. Wildlife in the building. At the movies.
I got them say.
Nah, bro. We don't throw no gang signs around here.
Ain't no gang.
About to go watch London is Falling. You see?
Hey.
Hey.
I seen that preview.
Who about to pay the bill?
Ah.
This nigga.
The premise is our youngest son was abducted 10 years in the
Yeah, so, you know, just got done seeing the movie. It was good, you know what I'm saying?
Just do it.
It's 76. And then we got this fat guy over here, you know what I'm saying, drinking like 16 cups of juice and stuff. Ain't that right?
This is my second cup. Get my $5 worth for this drink.
Man, this boy tripping.
Got the little slushy.
People act like they don't want to go to IHOP. You feel me? I mean, look at this guy over here. I'm trying to go to IHOP and I got this fat dude in the back.
Tell him minimum wage is better than no wage.
Minimum wage is better than no wage. Wildlife, good night, have a good.
You know how long it took